Hi, my name is Ankit Agarwal.
Hi, I'm Sonal.
We recently bought this apartment in Shriram Jumping Woods and got the interiors done with Fabdis Interiors. The overall experience, it was good. It was pretty good with Fabdis. There were a lot of challenges. It was for the first time. This is the first time we have got a house. So, thinking about everything and actually getting it executed, Fabdis was very helpful in explaining to us what should be the right areas where we should think of, like storage and utility wise, not just at the way things come out in design. So it was pretty helpful. Yes, Sonal?
Yeah.
What do you think?
My experience with the designers, it was really nice. Most of the things that we wanted, they delivered, and the overall experience is really nice.
So the major reason why we chose Fabdis was one of our friends was also getting his house done with Fabdis, so he introduced us with Fabdis. We met Vineet and we explained to him what we are looking for, and there was a lot of customization required for this particular house. Not standard fittings were not coming in because of the size of the house, and we found Fabdis to be very comfortable in making those customizations, and even the cost factor was pretty much in our range, and they were able to do those negotiations and make those alterations for us, which made it easier for us to choose Fabdis, right?
I think one is the designers, they give full attention to the project, and
the second one is the execution. I think we really appreciate the work that Vineet, our project manager, has done. He was very open to the feedback, and actually a lot of times I also got angry on him for one of the other things, but he was very malleable. He took our feedback. He took every opinion that we were giving him.
Last minute changes also, I think.
We also made a lot of goof ups where we said something else in the starting and then we changed it later. Like later. This wall, we got it done multiple times, first paint, then wallpaper and all of those things, but Vineet was always patient in hearing us out and doing it. So those are the few things that we really liked about Fabdis. If we come on to the things that we want to get changed, is obviously speed of delivery. I think the project got delayed by a few days. It would have been great if it could have been delivered on the promised dates. I know the COVID situation made it worse, but there could have been better.
But then there are other things as well. Even after everything is done, if we call them for certain things, they do come immediately, and that's, I think, the best thing about them.
Yep. Yeah, I will definitely recommend Fabdis to people. Yeah, and we already started recommending it to other people. I think the biggest selling point that we give to the folks is with other big brands like which exist in market. I would not want to take the name, but customizations are very tough with them. Price spikes up as you start doing customization, and every house needs customization. So I think that is where Fabdis will be helpful, and even the speed of delivery, although there can be improvements, but in comparison to other options, it's much faster.